Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create digital art to sell on Etsy. For example, I'm on Etsy right now and I'm in one of the most popular digital arts shop on Etsy, and you can see the different digital arts item that they have listed. I'll be showing you how to create a similar digital art to this using Canva. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com. From there, you can create an account for completely free. After you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create a Design in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to select A4 and you're going to tap on Document A4 Portrait. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on text. After tapping on text, we can select add a heading. Then from there, we're going to simply pull the text box up to the top of the page. And let's say, for example, I were to type in time is the master. So that will be our slogan. Then after doing that, I'm going to select the entire text box and I'm going to be changing the font style. To do this, you're going to tap where you see Canva Sans on my screen. After tapping on Canva Sans, let's say for example's sake, I were to select this font style, or better yet this one, let's see how it looks. Or you can tap on handwriting, then you can see different handwriting font style and you could select one of those. After doing that, if you would like to increase the font size, you can tap where you see 58 on my screen. And let's say, for example, we were to increase it to 72. After doing this, all I'm going to do now, I'm going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more. And I'm going to select elements as I'm going to be adding a clock. Then we're going to tap on search elements, type in clock. Then I'm going to tap on see all where you see graphics and we're going to scroll down until we have found a clock of our liking. Keep in mind that any one of the templates or photos that you see with the Pro, that means that you'd have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous free ones that you can use. Let's say, for example, this one, I'll simply drag and place it. Then after doing that, I'm going to select the text once more. Then we're going to tap on effects. And from here, I'm going to make the text curve. So I'll type on curve. Then I'm going to increase the curve so you can see right there. Then we'll simply pull it down. And then you can increase or decrease the curve by simply pulling along the cursor in the bottom left-hand corner. So you can see right there. And I'm going to be increasing the font size a bit. So we'll increase it to 80 and you can see right there. This is how it looks at the moment. After you have done that, if you would like to change the background color, you can do that by simply selecting the entire canvas. After doing that, you'll tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the different colors that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these colors to your liking. Let's say, for example, this one right here. Now to save it so that you'll be able to share and sell it on Etsy, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner. From here, you're going to tap on share. After tapping on share, you're going to scroll down. And from here, you're going to simply tap right where you see template link. After tapping on template link, you're going to tap on create template link right here. And once the template link has been created, all you'll need to do now is copy it. After copying the link, you're going to open a Notes app. So let's say, for example, we will be using Google Docs, just for example's sake. So you could simply tap, and you're going to tap on add page right below that. And I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on text. Then you're going to select any one of the text style and you can simply type in, click here, as this will be the page that persons will receive to download their purchase. Then you're going to select the text, then tap on the click the link icon and you're going to paste in the link that you have created earlier. So you'll paste in the link as you can see right there. Then you will tap on done. After you have done this, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner once more, tap on share, then scroll down, and from here you're going to tap on download. Then you're going to select PNG, and I want you to change it to PDF, so you can select PDF. Then you're going to select page 2, which will be the page that has the link, and you're going to tap on done, then select download. So this will be the page that persons will receive and tap on the link to download your design. But you cannot upload your design solely like this. You will need to create a mockup. For example, a mockup will be an image like this where you can see it in a frame. To do this, you could go back onto Canva, then go over to the left hand menu option and select elements once more. Then from there, we're going to be selecting painting frame. Next, you are going to simply tap on the frame that you would like to use. Let's say, for example, this frame. Then from there, you can increase the size as you can see right here. And all we are going to do now, we are going to scroll back up and we are going to save our creation, which would be this one. So to save it, you'll simply tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to tap on download. After selecting download, you can select the page. So it is page 1. And we're going to tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select uploads. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to tap on uploads right here, and I want you to tap on upload files. After selecting upload files, you're going to select the download that you had created. So let's do that real quick so you can see it right there. We're going to be selecting it, then tap on open. Now we are going to be adding it to our canvas right here. So to do this, you'll simply drag and place it, and you can see right there. Then we are going to be changing the background color, so you'll select the entire canvas, then select the color box, and from there you could select a white background or you could select a gray background, whatever color background you want. You can also change the color of the frame by tapping on the frame. Then from there you could select color and you can change the color of the frame. For example, let's say we wanted to change it to a brighter color. You could do that. As you can see right there, you can change the color of the frame by simply tapping on it. You could choose a brighter color as you can see right there, or if we wanted it to be in black, you can do that. This is just a quick example of how to create a mockup. And you're going to tap on share, then tap on download. After tapping on download, we're going to be downloading page 3, which would be the mockup page, and you'll simply tap on download real quick. Then from there, you're going to go into Etsy. Once on Etsy.com, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on your account. After selecting your account, you're going to tap on sell on Etsy. Once you have selected sell on Etsy, you can see right here, get started. You're going to tap on that. Then you'll tap on let's do this. And from here, you could fill out these questions real quick, or you can simply tap on skip this question. Then from there, is there anything you like help with? You can scroll down and you can simply tap on skip this question also. Then you'll tap on start your shop. After selecting start your shop, from here you'll be able to select your shop language and you'll also be able to select your country. So you could tap right there and you could select the country real quick, and you can also select the shop currency. Then you are going to tap on save and continue, and you can enter in your shop name. So let's do that real quick. So I'll enter in my shop name. After doing that, you're going to tap on save and continue. So once you have selected save and continue, you'll now be able to add stock. You'll tap on save and continue and you'll now be able to add stock to your shop. So this is where you'll be able to add the mockup that you had created. You'll tap on add a photo. After tapping on add a photo, you're going to be adding the mockup. So let's do that real quick. After you have added the mockup, you can see that you can add numerous mockups. After you have done that, you'll simply scroll down and you can also add mockup images. Once you have done that, you'll be able to add the title right here. So for example, first painting. Then you can select who made it. I did. What is it? And you can see right there a finished product. When did you make it? And you can select right here recently. Then you can scroll down. You could also select the category and you're going to tap on digital. After selecting digital, you can add a quick description of the product. Then after doing that, you're going to scroll all the way down and you can add the product price right there. And you can also add the available quantity. And now you're going to tap on upload file. After adding the file, all you'll need to do now is tap on save and continue and you'll be able to complete your listing. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did,